Welcome back to Kids Lacrosse. In today's video, we're going to be going from this to this. Alright guys, so let me show you what we're going to be switching out. So right here I have this gray backdrop. It's from Savage. I think it's a 50% gray backdrop, and you know, I've used this so much. I've used this for photo shoots, I've used this for videos and things like that, but it's just a little old. It's time for a new backdrop. So we're going to be switching this one out. As you can see, this one's kind of got like this was a spider right here. I killed a spider for my wife because I love her. So I killed this spider here, so we can't have this here anymore. Also, it's kind of tattered. As you can see right here, it kind of rolls up, it's ripped, all that stuff. It also has ripples. I really like the 50% grays though, because you can, even if you light it and expose it correctly during photo shoots and stuff like that, you can almost get white. Not a seamless white, but you can get some pretty close stuff there. So I really like this backdrop right here, but you know, it's just time to go. So we're gonna be using the new Savage. We're gonna bring the camera this way. We're gonna be using the new Savage 2412 wide-tone seamless orange. So I was actually trying to get blue, but my wife wanted orange and I wanted blue, but they didn't have blue, so we went with orange. So we're gonna do orange, and this is where we're gonna be shooting most of the new Kids Lacrosse content and videos and reactions and things like that. So we're super excited about it. We're not gonna be using it all the time. We're actually gonna show you the board behind right now. I'm gonna shimmy this up and we're gonna do some measurements, but we're very excited about this new backdrop. This is a 9-foot backdrop. Okay, now the space that we have right here, it's not 9 foot, okay? It's like 6-7 feet, so I need to cut this, and so I have my little hacksaw over there, and we're gonna walk you through that. We're gonna do a little time lapse of me cutting it, and then we're gonna place it up here. We'll take the old one down and then we'll put the new one up here, but it's super dope. So let's go ahead and shimmy this up so you can see what we're working with. All right, so these brackets right here, I got on Amazon. I don't know what the specific name is, but they're pretty good, they're useful. I had them on a different place in our house, but we had to move it here because this is just easier. All right, so this is essentially my closet where we put all of my shoes and everything, but we went ahead and put a whiteboard in here. Sashi does a very good job of keeping us organized and on schedule with pretty much everything. And so we're gonna be using this board as well. We're gonna put some stickers up here, some Kids Lacrosse stuff. We have our dates and times over here. This is our house stuff over there, you don't gotta worry about that. Upcoming classes, our to-do list. As you can see, we got some check marks off. We got some more things to do. We got some upcoming events, as you can see. We got some done. Green check marks mean they're done. Our classes right now, they're operating. They're not check marked off because they're not done yet. So we're gonna get those. So we have our Savage. We're gonna leave that up here. We're gonna get some measurements before we open this and cut that backdrop. So I got my handy dandy measuring tape right here. We're just gonna measure the end and see how much we need to cut. So we'll go there to about there. Oh. Come on, measuring tape. And we're doing this live, well, as live as we can be, so that you guys can see kind of how this process looks. Again, we're not working with a big amount of space, so it's about maybe 69.5 inches. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll get the orange, I'll measure the orange out, I'll mark it off, and I will cut it about 69.5 inches. I'm pretty sure that's pretty accurate. We'll remove this old one, and then we'll put the new one up. And then I also do have some PVC pipe. The PVC pipe, if you notice right here, this paper will start to roll up just like that. See how it's rolling up? And that's just gonna naturally happen. But what the PVC pipe is gonna do is gonna weigh it down, so keep it down. It just makes it easier so it doesn't like crinkle up and all that stuff. And so, yeah, let's get into it. All right, here we go. We're gonna do this thing now. I'm gonna lift this up right here. Give me some leverage. I think everyone can see that. And let's get to cutting now. This paper's pretty thick, so it's gonna take me a while to get through pretty much everything, but let's speed it up for you guys. All right, so, my gosh, we have a break. All right. There you go, folks. Wow, that's a lot of work. So I am sweating, if you can see all that. Look at that sweat. Anyways, here is the prize right here. Oh man, I'm getting it all wet, but that's okay, the bottom doesn't matter. This is the prize, right? This is the size I needed, that brand new seamless paper. I'm super excited about it. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy up. Finally, I finished hacksawing my way through that Savage paper and I got it to the right size. It took a lot of time, man. I was sweating. Here is the paper right here. This is what's gonna be going up there in a second. So I'm super excited to put that up. So let's get to it. We're gonna take down the old one right now and then we'll install the new one. So I have to take the backdrop off of the brackets right now. It's pretty seamless, not too hard to do. Just gonna lift up and rotate over. This one has like a latch. There we go, and just like that. Okay, as you can see, this one is off. We don't have to treat it so nicely. All right, I'm gonna pull this out. So this is what's on the inside of the paper, if you guys can see that, right? So we're gonna put that in. It's gonna hold it there. I'm gonna put that down right there. Okay, boom, same thing. Now this is gonna be our shimmying system. We're gonna shimmy up, shimmy down. Put that over here now, because we don't need that anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and take this. Now, to the piece of resistance. Okay, so we're gonna put this way. I don't know if you guys can see that all right. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do this and nestle that in nice and neat, just like that. And also we wanna make that inner part expand a little bit. We're going to push down on this. Wait a minute, hold on one second. It should be expanding if I push down, there we go. We're gonna push down this white right here to expand on the inside. Okay, so that part is done. Okay, now to do the other side, flip this without breaking anything. Okay. All right, part number 2, here we go, almost done. All right, put that in there, and then we're going to loosen this up right here and push down. All right, well, I think we might have pushed down too much. Right there, here we go, right there, booyah. And now it's expanded on the inside, tighten it up a little bit. Now to put it up. All right, let's do this thing. Be careful with the PVC pipe. So I'm gonna put this side in first, just like that. And then I'm gonna push it down just a little bit. And I got to lift this part over that and boom. The backdrop is up. So let's get to shimmying it down and let's show you what it's gonna look like. All right. Nice and neat. We're just gonna take the tape down just like that. And we're gonna use it in a second, so we're not gonna take it all the way off. Boom. Probably was supposed to do it that way. That was way more seamless. You know, we're learning. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. It's showtime. And I'm just gonna assist it by pulling this down. And this is where the PVC pipe is gonna come into play as well. In a second, because as you see, it wants to roll back up. Look at that. Now I gotta be careful on shimmying it down because it's going to want to shimmy all the way down. But ooh, okay, let's hold right there. We are finally done, y'all. Okay, I finally got this orange up. A lot of work, right? A power tool could have solved this. So if you're working at home, if you want to put a backdrop up, make sure you have power tools, right? I did the hard old school way by using a hacksaw. I got a good little workout in, and now it's finally up. I'm so excited about it. Look at this orange, right? I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
You see what I did there? Anyways, so enough talking about it. Let's show you the final look. All right, everyone, what do you think? Do you like the backdrop? Do you like the gray? Do you like the orange? I kind of dig the orange. I think it's an upgrade from the gray. I like the spotlight that I have in the back that's kind of like illuminating my head. I feel very angelic. That's pretty cool right there. I won't always have that on, and Sashi won't always have that on because she's going to be doing videos too. But it's a good little effect. Right now I have my spotlight right here illuminating my face primarily on this side, and then I have something bouncing light off that way to give me just a little bit more light on the backdrop. As you can see, it's a little bit brighter on this side right here, and it's a little bit darker on this side. We'll fix that in the next couple of videos. Today was really just about changing the backdrop, going from the 50% gray Savage seamless paper to the orange seamless Savage paper, and I think it's an upgrade. I really like the colors. I really enjoy the vibrant nature of orange. It's really fun to have. And it's also one side of the Kids Lacrosse colors. The other side is blue. So we got the blue and we got the orange going on. And so we decided to go with orange. It works great, and we're excited to make more videos for you. So, what do you guys want to see on the channel? Do you want to see tutorials? Do you want to see reaction videos? Do you want to see games and all that stuff? Let us know by commenting down below. Also, don't forget to share this with your friends. I think we provide a lot of decent content and they might be interested in it, so don't forget to share it with them. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're trying to do some big things and we appreciate everyone's support. So, until the next time, we'll catch you on the field.